Using master dimensions help you narrow down the most used and appropriate dimensions and organize them on the left-hand panel for the user. This video will cover all the different ways to create and edit master dimensions. You can create a master dimension from a field. To do it, in the Asset panel, select the dimension you want to add to master dimensions, right-click on it and select Create Dimension. In the dialog, you can change the name of the dimension and add a label expression, description or tags. You can also change the dimension color. In this case, we select blue from the color palette. When done, click Create and close the dialog. Now the master dimension will be available in master items. You can also create master dimensions directly from the master items. In the Create New Dimensions dialog, select if the dimension is to be single, drill down or cyclic dimension. Search for a field on the left-hand side and select it. The name of the field is automatically added as the name of the dimension. You can change the name if you want to. If you want, you can also specify a color for this dimension. When done, click Create. The process is similar if you want to create a drill-down dimension. Click at least two fields from the fields list on the left-hand side to insert them as the reference fields. In this case, we add region, customer and city. Type a name for the dimension. In this case, we name it Region Customer. When done, click Create and close the dialog. You can create a cyclic dimension in a similar way. Add the fields you want to include in the cyclic dimension. Cyclic dimensions allow users to quickly change between fields displayed as dimensions in visualizations. Optionally, add description and tags, and you can assign a color to the dimension. When done, click Create. Now you can start creating visualizations with the master dimension you just created. You can also create calculated dimensions. In the field text box, open the Add Expression dialog. You will now be able to add expression in different ways, depending on your preferences and different levels of complexity. In this case, we add an expression that will return only the customers for the region UK. Type a name for the dimension. In this case, we name the dimension UK Region Customers. Then, we assign a color to this dimension. When done, click Create and then close the dialog. The calculated dimension is now saved in the Dimensions category of the master items, and you can use it in visualizations. To edit a master dimension, right-click on the dimension that you want to edit and select Edit. If the dimension is used on a sheet, any change to the master dimension will be applied to all its instances on the sheets. In the Edit Dimension dialog, you can update the field or expression, name, description, tags and the color. When done, click Save. The master dimension is now updated. To delete a master dimension, right-click on it and click Delete. When a dimension has been deleted from the master items, all visualizations that reference to the deleted master dimension will not work anymore until the missing dimension is replaced. Delete the invalid dimension and add a new one. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.